and welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted any videos recently because I have been busy making face coverings for large hospital orders. And I want to show you how I make my mask today. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and click subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm just starting with an 18 by 12 inch piece of material, and then I fold it so that it's 9 by 6, and you see it's a rough cut, but that's okay. It's just perfectly fine. So I have the top, and what I'm going to do is at that top I am going to go ahead and run 2 seams, and I'm going to leave the middle section open because what we're going to do is once we get the straps sewn on, we're going to turn this inside out. So if you're using material that has a right side and a wrong side, what you want to do is start by sewing the right sides together. Okay, and what I use is cotton fabric cut into strips, and when I pull those strips, they actually turn into these nice little rolled pieces. Is what we are going to be using for the straps, and they're nice and stretchy, so that's really good for a face mask because it's kind of adjustable by default. So what I do is take 2 of the straps, put them inside the beginnings of the face mask. Okay, and I'm just going to take and run a seam down the side of the face mask, and I'm going to enclose that side. See, I have a little piece of the strap sticking out. Okay, and I'm going to do the same on the other side, put the other 2 straps in, and then I am going to sew this closed. Make sure that you are double stitching at the beginning and the end of your seam to secure it. All right, and then we're going to take those pins out and clip the ends so that it can lay flat later. I'm going to clip off the extra threads and turn the mask inside out. Okay, and so what we've got is we've got it sewn on all sides except for this middle piece. And what we're going to do is we are going to take this and we're going to press it out. Make sure you give it a nice good press. We're going to press that hold the opening together so that it's easier for us to sew. Just easier to work with nice clean lines. All right, so that's the top with the whole opening, and the bottom is that folded, and it's not a perfect rectangle or a perfect square, but it's okay. You'll see it's okay. All right, so you're going to take and you're going to pinch the bottom and pull it up. And for those of you who are pinners, I'm going to show it to you if you how to pin it together. And then if you're like me, I prefer clips because I always manage to stick myself with pins. So I like clips, but I just want to show you how, if you're pinning, you'll use the pins. So you pin it together and you're just folding 2 pleats. Pleat at the bottom, pleat at the top. All right, and just make sure those pleats sit right together. Show you one more time. Pinch up and fold over. Simple. Pinch up, fold over, and pin it in place. All right, so I am going to actually show you again with the clips. Okay, that's how it looks all pinned up. All right, now if you're a clipper, okay, I'm going to show you with the clips. Pinch up, pinch, pinch, pinch. All right, pinch up and fold over and clip that into place. All right, and then we're going to do it again. Pinch up and fold over. All right, see those pleats sitting right next to each other? That is perfect. That's what you want to see. All right, and we're ready to sew all these pleats together. We're going to just run a seam all the way around. All right, so we are just removing the clips so that we can sew these pleats together. Alright, and we're going to sew down all these sides, just turning it at each corner. And then when I reach the end of the very last seam, I'm going to go ahead and backstitch. Alright, I do have quarantine nails, ladies, indicating I have not been anywhere. Alright, just removing any stray threads that are sticking out. Alright, and then what I'm gonna do, see those are nice in place as far as the straps go. They're nice and sturdy. Alright, and we're just pressing it out so we can press those pleats. Alright, and there we go. We've got our completed face covering. Alright, so if you don't have access to an N95 and you just want something to cover your face to wear in the public, here you go. Nice and easy. Alright, and there we have it. So I want to thank you for watching. I want to just remind everybody, please stay safe. Stay safe and be vigilant. Visit our website, www.imaniabydesign.com. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you're notified when we post new videos. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.